Watch this video to learn Python NumPy array creation methods. This line imports the NumPy library and assigns it the alias np. This line creates an array called A that contains the values 1, 2, and 3. This line creates an array with 2 elements, all of which are 0. This line creates an array with 2 elements, all of which are 1. This line creates an empty array with 2 elements. The values in the array are not defined, and they may vary depending on the computer you are using. This line creates an array that contains the numbers from 0 to 3. This line creates an array that contains the numbers from 2 to 8 with a step size of 2. This line creates an array that contains 5 evenly spaced numbers between 0 and 10. The type property in NumPy is a read-only property that returns the data type of the array. The type argument specifies the data type of the array elements. Here, np.int64 signifies that the elements will be 64-bit integers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.